Hey, how's it going? Okay, so today I thought why not do another video, because why not? And a few people had asked me, so I thought I may as well do one on a product that was pretty controversial when it first came out. So I just wanted to do a quick little eye makeup tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Like some of people, I found some of the shades hard to blend, but I don't find them that unblendable, to be honest, and I really enjoy the palette. So maybe there was just a bad batch to begin with, but yeah, I really like it. So I thought I'd do just a quick eye tutorial for you. I have done my eyebrows and my primer and my eyeshadow base off camera, just because it's easier. But yeah, now we'll go into voiceover, so let's get started. First, taking that shade Dawn, I'm just going to blend it all through my crease as my kind of starting transition shade. I just really want to blend it all the way out. Then taking the shade Edge, I'm just going to further buff that into my crease and blend it out into Dawn. Then I'll go back into Dawn and buff that out. Then with a clean blending brush, just blend the two together even more. Now taking the shade Destiny, I am just going to kind of try and deepen up the crease a little and really buff this shade out just so it doesn't look muddy and we don't lose the other two shades. Then taking the shade Untamed, I'm just taking a large packer brush and packing it all over my lid. Now taking Destiny again, I am just going to buff out those edges. Now taking the shade Access, I'm going to create that halo eye shape by focusing it on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. Then taking Destiny again, I am just going to blend everything out. Now taking a tiny pointed brush, I'm going to take Access and make it more intense. Now taking some concealer, I am just going to cut out the spotlight shape. First by cutting the crease. Then by creating that triangular shape all the way down to my lash line. And using my finger, I am just going to blend out the edges just so we get a seamless blend. And I'll blend over the top with that Untamed shade again. And I'm going to go back and further intensify Access. Now taking the shade Sublime from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, I'm just going to run that in that spotlight shape, being careful to not overstep the lines of the concealer. And then I'm going to slowly blend it out. Then taking Access again, I'm just going to blend it into the shimmer shade. Now to get that truly spotlight kind of feature look, I'm taking Electric from the Subculture palette and running it right through the center. Now taking my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to run it along the lash line and get a nice straight line, just to kind of make the eye look a little bit more bold. And now with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm just going to give my top lashes a nice good coat. Okay, so now that the top half of the eyes are done, I'm going to wipe off under here and do my base makeup, and then we'll come back and do the under eye. Alright, so I've done my concealer, foundation and set it all, so now it's time to move on to the under part of our eye. So we're basically going to do a similar thing, but under our eye. Now taking that shade Dawn again on that big fluffy brush, I'm just going to create a base under here, and I want to make sure I really buff that out. Taking the shade Destiny, I'm going to start to darken it up a little. Now taking a brown kohl liner, I'm just going to line my waterline. I find that brown's a little bit better than black for this look, just to make it a little bit more natural. Then taking the shade Access on a flat brush, I'm just going to continue that halo shape on the outer and inner corner of the eye. Now taking the shade Electric, I'm just going to place it in my inner corner to really give it a pop. Then I'll again coat my bottom lashes with mascara. Now to further that spotlight illusion, I'm just going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Distortion and put it right in the center on both the top and bottom. Alright, so this dark green, grungy kind of eye look is finished. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and even if you didn't, I hope you just enjoyed watching it. I'd like to do more videos, but it's really up to people on whether you guys want to watch them. Let me know if you want to watch something specific. Let me know if you want to watch a foundation review. I don't mind going out and buying a new foundation, or a review of anything for that matter. Let me know if you want me to do a challenge or anything like that. I don't know, it's just up to you and what you're going to enjoy watching, because I know tutorials aren't always the most fun to watch. So I'm open to anything. Comment down below and let me know what you want to see, or comment on any of my Instagram photos. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I guess see you on the next one, if there is a next one. Bye.